find the principal solution for the following. Now if you remember, when we started the chapter, I just gave you definition for few terms, okay, and in that we were having principal value also, and I told you that I am going to give you some examples for the principal value. Now what it was, that the value lies in one cycle, that was from close intervals from pi to 2 pi, okay. So let's check it now. Number one is tan x is equal to under root 3. Now we have to just check it, that what is the value for root 3. Now if you remember, first of all, these are the quadrants, okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Then we have to check it, what is value for tan x is equal to root 3. Now tan x is equal to tan pi by 3, because it is positive, pi by 3, or if you can just think it to convert in the degree, it becomes 30 degree, okay, sorry 60 degree, it is 60 degree, root 3. Now 60 degree, naturally where tan is positive, now tan is positive only in this quadrant and in this quadrant, okay. So what we are having, first quadrant tan x is equal to tan pi by 3, and in third quadrant we are having tan x is equal to tan pi plus pi by 3, okay. So this becomes tan 4 pi by 3. Now what we can write it? We can write it, therefore tan x is equal to tan pi by 3 is equal to tan 4 pi by 3 is equal to root 3. Hence principal value x is equal to pi by 3 and x is equal to 4 pi by 3. Is it clear? So this is the answer for the first part, a very important concept. Now for number 2. Number 2 we are given cosecant x. Cosecant x is equal to negative of 2. Now let's check it again for this part. Now cosecant negative of 2, we want now this thing, okay. Now when it is negative, then in which parts cosecant is negative? Let's check it. Now in the first quadrant all are positive, in the second quadrant cosecant is positive, sine and cosecant. So in the third quadrant, here and here, cosecant is negative, okay. So we are having now cosecant x is equal to 2, or we can write it cosecant x is equal to cosecant pi by 6, okay. So this is just a rough work, this is the rough work which you have to follow. In few questions, then when you are doing number of examples, then you will become master of the topic. Now let's check it. Now cosecant x is equal to cosecant pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus means which? In the third quadrant, okay. So this becomes cosecant 7 pi by 6, and again cosecant x is equal to cosecant, now we can write it 2 pi minus pi by 6. Now this is which? Now this is in the third quadrant, and this is in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so this becomes now cosecant 11 pi, sorry, 11 pi by 6. Is it clear? Hence, or therefore cosecant x is equal to cosecant 7 pi by 6 is equal to cosecant 11 pi by 6 is equal to negative of 2. Okay. Hence, principal value x is equal to 7 pi by 6 and x is equal to 11 pi by 6. Answer. So like this we have to proceed for the principal values.